parapsychological approach or psychopathology, no two of the same bipolar or mania share the exact same phenomena. So there's a number of different variances. So someone who's going through manic episode and grandiosity, they might have a sort of elated impulsivity. Someone else, promiscuity might ascend off the roof. Someone else might experience a high level of grandiosity, right, which is the augmentation of one's ambition. So it's hard to put it into perspective in terms of what are the commonalities they share. But what you do find is they share commonality across the board in terms of their emotional attributes, in terms of impulsivity, disinhibition, grandiosity, pathological compulsion, and promiscuity.
Empathy a lot of times too, right?
Yeah, empathy of course. And empathy is one of those things I spend like a level. So.
And also linguistics.
Yeah, linguistics.
Do you speak a lot of different languages?
Not psycho and sociolinguistics, but more like the subsets, the different branches, and primarily the role it plays in humor. So linguistics has different branches outside being bilingual and trilingual and the study of different languages. So.
And musicology.
Yeah.
You do acoustic guitar playing.
Yeah, well, I write, compose, arrange, transpose, I have a fundamental understanding of how music works.
And you lecture on all these subjects?
Yeah, because all of these fields intertwine at some given point. If you get into music,